Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to create this salt and sugar scrub. This is great for not only exfoliating dead skin cells, but it will help to remove any dirt or oil from the pores, leaving your skin feeling nice and soft. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out with, I'm going to go ahead and add some mango butter here to my heat safe container. Now, mango butter is high in vitamin C, which will really help to replenish any moisture that is lost from the skin. Not only that, but it will help to regulate oil and sebum production. Because I want this salt and sugar scrub to be really hydrating for the skin, I'm adding some caprylic triglycerides. This is an emollient. It has a lot of different fatty acids, which is great for the skin. This next ingredient, grapeseed oil, it is known to be very moisturizing. It contains vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant, and it will help to tighten and tone the skin. Another great oil that I'm adding is macadamia nut oil. This is a very lightweight, non-greasy oil, and it really will help to soothe and moisturize the skin. Cetyl alcohol is the next ingredient I'm adding. This will help to thicken our salt and sugar scrub, and it will also help to moisturize and soften the skin. To give this salt and sugar scrub a really luxurious feeling, I'm adding some emulsifying wax. To help with moisturizing and hydrating the skin, I'm adding some stearic acid. Now I'm simply going to go ahead and cover this container and then place this on the stove. I want to make sure that those harder ingredients like the cetyl alcohol, the mango butter, and the emulsifying wax are completely melted. All the ingredients now have completely melted. I'm stirring this and then with my heat gun checking the temperature. I want to make sure that this temperature is below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And the reason for that is because the next ingredients that I'll be adding for this salt and sugar scrub are very heat sensitive. Temperature now is below that 140 degrees Fahrenheit range, so I'm going to be adding vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant. It is also an emollient and a humectant. To combat or protect this product from having any mold, microorganisms, or bacteria from forming in it, I'm adding a preservative. The one that I'll be adding today is called Optifin. This is a broad spectrum preservative. To give this salt and sugar scrub a nice, light floral scent, I'm adding some honeysuckle essential oil. I want to be able to give this salt and sugar scrub a nice color, so I'm going to be using two separate colored skin-safe micas. One is red and the other is blue. I want to achieve a dark purple color, and I will try to see if I can find where I purchased this, and I will leave the link down below this video. After adding those micas and the other ingredients, I'm going to just stir this just for a bit. I want to not only help it to continue to cool down, but it will help to also nicely incorporate all the ingredients for this salt and sugar scrub. At this point, the ingredients are at room temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. Now, I'm stirring as I'm adding the salt, and I'm not adding all the salt all at once. I'm adding a little at a time, and this will just allow it to be evenly distributed throughout. After the salt has been added, I'm adding the sugar. Now I'm doing the same process. I'm adding a little sugar at a time while I'm stirring until everything has been nicely incorporated. At this point, all the ingredients for the salt and sugar scrub have been added. I went ahead and covered this, and I'm setting it aside, allowing it to continue to cool down. I now am scooping the salt and sugar scrub into my jar here. Now, if you find that your salt and sugar scrub has just not cooled down fast enough, you can absolutely go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and just kind of watch it. And usually it takes about 20 minutes, I find. but then it should be at the point where it's a little thicker in consistency, making it a lot easier to pour into whatever container you're using. Let me show you how I use this salt and sugar scrub. So what I do is I take a little bit of the scrub itself and apply it to the skin and then gently massage it in. Now to remove it, you're going to, like I'm doing, taking a wet paper towel, or you can use a wet washcloth, and just simply removing it off the skin. So here is the formula that I use to create the salt and sugar scrub, along with any substitutions. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.